I don't know if I'll ever get you taking a shot, so...
This is gonna be more embarrassing for me than it is for you. Wait, what are we cheersing to? Merging households!
Shush stars!
Shush stars!
Shush stars!
Is that it?
Yeah.
That's all you wanted?
The past few months have been really difficult, a lot more difficult than I'd let on, and it's been really challenging to come to terms with that because then that means I'm admitting that I'm not perfect, that I'm struggling, that I'm overwhelmed, which as an Aries and someone who likes to white knuckle their way through everything is really hard to admit. But I think I'm ready because I don't want to live the rest of my days riddled with anxiety and crippled from it too. I'm trying to repair my relationship with food, my relationship with work, and my relationship with myself.
Thank you. Whew. Ow, my god, it just is stuck in my earring. We are finally trying the sugar plum macchiato from Dunkin'. It looks so pretty and festive. It's so purple. I'm really excited. Cheers. Cheers. Whoa, that's weird. It tastes like a blueberry muffin.
What?
Isn't this display
Whoa! This is allowed?
My family, like, we're obsessed with donuts, and what we do is we get multiple flavors and then we cut them and then we try them and then we analyze them and we pick our faves. That is like so spongy and doughy and like moist, but crunchy on the outside.
Can I get 10 more of these blonde bitches?
You know that saying, it's like your space reflects your mind. I think I even said this in one of my last videos. When my space is chaotic, I feel fucking crazy. I need like clean space, windows open. I'm going through a lot right now and I want my space to feel clean. I think I want to put my hair up. So weird, I just put on some fake nails for the first time in months today. And first of all, my fingers hurt because they're really tight. But then I'm also like walking around like this and like touching things like this because it's just so awkward. I forget what it's like. I used to wear acrylics, literally like didn't see my real nails for months and months and months. And it wasn't until like a few years ago that I stopped really doing that. Kitty? Yeah? What should we do with our hair?
Well, depending on your outfit, I guess.
My sister Kit Major dropped some merch and we're going to do a little shoot with them so she can show what they look like stylized. I bought one, but it's going to my like actual apartment, so Nick is picking it up for me, but she brought a bunch and we're gonna shoot it today, which is why trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with this mess, this mop, this craziness. I kind of like this really messy half up situation, maybe. You scared me.
Why?
I didn't know you were in there, and so I just saw the light flickering on and off, and I was like, who the fuck is coming inside? We're having 2 shots each, because it's been a day.
I like that your assumption was someone and not a ghost.
Today was fun. We did like a bunch of content creation for her merch. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it in the description. Do we like?
I feel like a jelly bean.
Wait, 1, 2, 3. This week was just crazy. I'm really just struggling to balance like work life recently, and anxiety is a bitch. So it's so nice to be able to be with you because she like brings me down to earth when I'm feeling like really tightly wound, which is, it's pretty often, isn't it?
Pretty often this week.
This week at least. All right.
But you did the same. I was literally in the other room and I was like thinking about what you said to me in the car this morning, and I was just like, I'm so glad that you, I don't know, I'm so glad we had that talk. Like that really made shifted my whole perspective of not only the day, but like how I want to continue the rest of this year.
We were talking about, for context, we were talking about having a really solid foundation.
Why are we doing this? I bought lemon juice.
Oh.
Unless you want
It was already opened.
I see.
Anyway, we were talking about like how important it is to have a strong, stable foundation and relationship with yourself before even making any changes around your life, to really find a way to create space and time to spend with yourself and be like really intentional about that space and time. And I mean in like your day-to-day routine. I find myself completing a workout and then staring at my phone for 25 minutes in my like sweaty outfit, and that's such a waste of my time and like mental capacity. I could just be doing so much more with that time. I don't know. What's really important, and like something that I'm even trying to work on too in building this relationship with myself, is like being okay with just being present and in the moment, and like not on my phone and not listening to music and not watching TikTok videos and not watching YouTube videos, and just like being by myself and being okay with that. Even in the shower, like just like being alone and present and having that kind of like nurturing relationship with yourself. You're all you got at the end of the day.
Yeah. For the last 4 months, I realized I've been getting more attached to the outside validation that comes with social media. And I don't really have that to give to myself anymore, where I found I used to all the time. And so what I was thinking about in particular was when you said like, you know, you're so much more on this earth than appearance. You're so much more on this earth than that. Like when you look at me, you don't think about that. You think about
who you are as a person,
that
how you make other people feel.
And yeah, who I am to you and how I make you feel. And that's what's more important to me than that. And so, I don't know, I think this morning that just completely changed how I want to go out with this year and how I want to go into the next year of my priorities, how I make other people feel, including myself, not how I make, you know.
Yeah. Well, I would say even now that I'm like seeing a therapist and I'm learning all about my people-pleasing tendencies, that I would put the one about you before other people. Because you are just an inherently good person and you always just make people feel good. So I would put make myself feel good number one, because self-love, baby. Let's cheers.
Cheers to self-love in 2021.
More of it.
Or starting now. I've been working on this.
That's what you've been working on. Go again, girl. Go again, girl. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Like what?
Yeah, use the leg as a propeller. What do you were better at gymnastics than me. It's one.
That?
Yeah.
There's so many people outside.
Really?
Yeah. My makeup is a mess because I just ate a chicken sandwich with some sweet potato fries, and I've had a few drinks. And I have to record vocals because Kit and I are working on a Christmas song. We're gonna cover Last Christmas, and I'm not like a singer by any means. I get severe stage fright when it comes to singing in front of people. Like, I can cry on the spot, I can cry in a scene, I can make a fool out of myself doing improv, but when it comes to singing, I'm petrified. I'm absolutely petrified. Also, yeah, there's lipstick on my chin. Anyway, so what we came up with is Kit sang the entire song because I can like match her vocals really well and kind of like mimic it, and then we're gonna send in all of the singing parts, and then her friend is producing it, and we're gonna film a little music video. But I'm scared to film it and sing it nonetheless. So that's what I'm gonna work on right now. Keep in mind, like, I'm not good by any means. Look at my face right now. Look at my lipstick. I'm not good by any means. I was always in the ensemble growing up. But sometimes, if the day is right, I can carry a tune.